Youth and young adults are dying from suicide at the highest rates in decades, and that's according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. There's a training session coming up to help reach more youth and young adults. And joining us live from Columbus is Katrina Sunnyville, the Executive Director of Contact Helpline. How are you doing this afternoon, Miss Katrina? Okay, it seems like we may be having... Okay, Miss Katrina, are you there? Can you hear me?
Yes, I am here. Yes, I
Okay.
am.
I just wanted to make sure we can hear each other. So tell
Yes.
us again about Contact Helpline and how is it that you all are trying to help when it comes to suicide prevention?
Well, Contact Helpline is to provide emotional support, education, assistance, and intervention if needed to all people in crisis. And we're partnering with Open Up Mississippi to provide a crisis intervention training for youth and young adults to increase the number of volunteers to answer our crisis line and to have skills to help them to help their peers as well.
Now, what is the biggest concern that you guys are seeing right now, especially when it comes to youth and young adults and suicides?
Well, stigmas associated with that, stereotyping. We want to prevent people from seeking uh, means that can take their life and to seek mental health services. And when they're talking to their friends or their family, we want to provide the skills that they can help the individuals in the community. With the training, they will learn those skills on how to help their peers as well as their families.
Now, when it comes to youth and young adults, do you find that they have a difficult time talking to adults and they feel comfortable with peer-to-peer contact?
Most definitely. And so with this training, we can provide them the skills to help their peers. We envision a statewide movement where youth and young adults are empowered by using their voices to ensure quality of mental health care and the services so they will have the tools to assist their friends when they're asking for help and when they see those signs of suicide. It's important to have more people trained to help those in crisis.
Now, we are showing the flyer for the Crisis Line Specialist Training Program. Could you tell us, about the program and how can people sign up?
Well, we're partnering with Open Up Mississippi with the Youth Advisory Council, and Open Up Mississippi want to train some of their youth and volunteers, young adults especially, on crisis intervention so they'll have the skills to help each other. So we're going to train on mental health, depression, active listening skills, LGBTQT, loneliness, self-awareness, and self-care as well. Those are some of the topics we will discuss.
Now, before we let you go, when is the training date?
The training is July the 17th through the 20th. We'll be at the American Legion building in Columbus, Mississippi. That's 308 Legion Drive from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. on those days. And we will have trained professionals to come in and assist us with that training.
All right, then. Well, thank you so much there, Miss Katrina, joining us this afternoon.
Thank you for having me.
You're welcome.